I will leave a parts list in the description. After removing the lid, I took a pair of dikes and a Dremel tool and ground down a few of the latches so it can be easily removed. I removed the lid for the business card holder. I JB welded the business card holder to the inside of the door. I shoved foam inside the door so if I wanted to hide something larger, I could. I folded one card over so it works like a spring so that the card ahead of it will be easier removed